Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change graphic settings on your FIFA 23. Okay, so at the first we have to go for the customize. Next, open the settings. Right now go for the game settings. And then we have to go for CPU, for the display configuration, never mind. And as you can see right here at the bottom, we can find the rendering quality. So we can simply move between low, medium, high, ultra, and also automatic setting. On the right side in this place, you got also description of each feature if you wonder what it is. And also you can change right here the frames per second. So we can get unlimited frames per second. If you are stuck on the 60 or 30, you can enable more by using this option. And another option right here is the resolution. So all available resolutions are right here. And if you want to make any change, like for example, I would like to switch to 60 frames per second, just go for it and then just go back and the settings will be applied. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.